Hi students, welcome to yet another session as to how to strategize and streamline your preparation for the next 100 days of your UPSC 2021. Now that we know prelims have been postponed till October 10th, people are posting videos regarding how to strategize your preparation for mains in mains orientation. Now in this video we will come to know as to having anthropology as your optional, how to best utilize the time which we have till October 10th. Now that we have got around 4.5 months, let us keep 3 months for the preparation of anthro. Now we have got 2 papers, paper 1, paper 2, whereas we are conducting a test series for anthropology so that your preparation goes according to the test. I'll make you clear. It will be starting from May 29th till June 26th. We will be going for paper 2. Paper 2 being the easiest part in the anthro, we will be first finishing it off within a month. Then we have 2 more months in which paper 1 could be successfully completed. In this test series, we have divided the total components into 14. We have allotted 5 tests for paper 2 and 9 tests for paper 1. Why this disproportionate allocation? Because of the syllabus. We have disproportionately high syllabus in paper 1 as compared to paper 2. And also paper 2 being the easiest part, we'll start our preparation from paper 2 for the beginners. And also before each test, we'll be giving you in advance the question paper so that you'll prepare the question. If at all you are finding it difficult to prepare the scheduled course in time, so specific questions and concepts you could prepare, then you could write the test in the prescribed time. Time being 1 hour, not elaborate tests like 3 hours, which will burden you because you need to prepare prelims parallelly. So here 1 hour test consists of 6 questions. 6 questions, 3 questions 10 markers and 2 15 markers, 1 question of 20 marks, total 80 marks. 80 marks in 1 hour. Final in your paper, if you see, 250 marks per paper. So you will be having 3 hours of time for each paper. We have divided each test for 1 hour consisting of 80 marks. These 6 questions you could prepare, and mostly the questions will be covering entire concept per se. For example, if you take the test 1, paper 2 is given, just a second, in this paper 2, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 and second chapter. This consists of your test 1. So, we'll be guessing the questions for the next mains based on the previous year questions. I'll show you how to guess the questions for the coming. At least 70 to 80% of the questions could be guessed from the previous year questions in anthropology. So let us see as to why anthropology as an optional. Many in UPSC circles, anthropology is a more sort over optional. And why? Reason being, less syllabus, static questions and more scoring. Because of these 3 things, anthropology has been a sort of optional in your whole UPSC preparation. Even I remember 2018, in 2018, a Lok Sabha question for a minister that is UPSC favoring anthropology as an optional compared to other optionals. Obviously, the answer would be no. But since 2018, we see the pattern change. few indirect questions, few innovative questions. Like last year they have asked Victor Turner's symbolic anthropology related one concept, liminality concept. Few innovative concepts are there, but not much. With these basic concepts, we could actually prepare for the whole anthro. So paper 2 will be, if you take 1.2 syllabus, every year one question will be appearing from 1.2 per se. Last year it is based on Narmada Man. Previous year, 2019, we have a question on Ramapithecus. So next year there will be a definite question on Shivapithecus. So this question will be given for you. You prepare Shivapithecus as a whole, a diagram, facts, a timeline. So like this, entire concept will be given to you as a question. If you take 1.3, ethno-archaeology, every year one question on ethno-archaeology is being reflected. So ethno-archaeology as a concept, I'll be giving you as a question. You just prepare the whole concept per se. We'll discuss in detail. Like it will be a test discussion in the namesake, but I'll give you an overview regarding each concept which constitutes each question. So this is why this test series is a combination of test series cum class. So paper 2 from May 29th till June 26th. So within a month, you could comfortably prepare for paper 2. After that, then we'll come to paper 1, which is relatively vast. So here 9 tests, total 9 component tests. Syllabus is divided based on the previous year question pattern, so that you will be comfortable in finding, you yourself will be guessing what might come. If you take entire first chapter is divided into 2 tests. Then comes socio-cultural anthropology. Culture, marriage, kinship, family and all. And with special focus on few areas like theories. Also genetics, we have 3 more tests for entire genetics per se. So in this way, the coming 3 months could be better utilized if you are having anthropology as an optional. See here, by August 28th, you will be comfortable with most of the important concepts in anthropology subject as a whole, so that you could go to prelims in a mindset, in a confident mindset, and then after this preliminary, we'll be having only 4 full tests. So there won't be any sort of burden for you and you could prepare. Also, 1-2 days prior to the test, I'll be setting the question paper and forwarding it to you, so that you could prepare and then write. This is how the test goes. If you want to prepare and write, that is fine. If you don't want to, even that is also fine. But do attend for discussions, which are like very much important. Even if you didn't attend any sort of class, I'll be dealing with it. Tests will be conducted regularly on every Saturday. We'll be having a Zoom online discussion regarding each test on Saturday. I'll post you the link directly. You could join using the ID and password. Then explanation will be provided for each test in PDF format. Evaluation will be online. We'll be having a personal one-to-one conversation if it is needed for you. So just be comfortable and make maximum utilization of this time span, which UPSC has given it as a boon for the aspirants. Make your dream come true. Thank you.